My goodness. Look how pretty that is. Golly. Yeah. Looky here. What's up, guys? It's Trey with Godly Family Gunly. I got Mrs. Godly Family Gunly out here. We're gonna do a little shooting today. I'm gonna shoot some. She's gonna shoot some. We're just gonna have a little fun. So you are up first. We've already got the accuracy portion out of the way. I moved the camera so maybe you can see the gun coming out of my holster, and also got the target in there. So whenever you're ready, babe. Nice. Good job. First string, no misses. Now I'm gonna do one.
No misses for the misses.
No misses for the misses. What's that? Here, dude. I'm gonna come out of the holster. There we go, going left again. Woo, a little hiccup. Didn't get a great grip on that gun. Driving right, shooting left. I got 2 bullets left. I missed on the first one. We got the Glock 19 back out here again. I told you I was gonna bring the Ruger out, but Brandy wanted to shoot some, so we grabbed the Glock 19 again. Plus I hadn't cleaned it yet. I hated to dirty up 2 guns. So we're gonna get this in a little bit more dirty. I think I'm shaking the camera there while I'm doing this. And we're just gonna shoot it today. So Brandy's working on her grip. She's gonna do some, you're gonna do some of them up drills where she goes from the low ready position, and that's about however far your target is. The low ready is everything I've read is you aim just in front of your target's feet. So if your target is say 7 yards, you're gonna be aimed pretty close to him. If your target say is at 5 yards or 5 feet, you're gonna be all the way down here. If it's 7 yards, you're gonna be all the way up here. Just wherever you visualize his feet at, just aim slightly in front of it. And that's so if some crazy person comes up to her, got a knife in her hand or his hand, and Brandy gets her gun out, gets on target, and she's just ready for him, you know, to charge forward, do whatever. She's ready to pop up and fire. So she works on that. She does not carry on her person, so she can't really come out of the holster. So we're gonna work on maybe getting her a concealed carry purse. Maybe she can come out of the purse. I know that sounds kind of weird, but we're gonna try that. Need to work on her grip a little bit too. Her thumbs forward grip. She does pretty good though. As you can see, she's a pretty good shot. And I need to work on just about everything. So we're gonna do some more double taps, some more mag dumps. I'll do one, she'll do one, and we're just gonna have a good time. There you go.
Do the 2?
Whatever you want to do.
Two.
She's shooting 2?
Yeah.
All right, she's going from the low ready. She's shooting 2. little high. Good shot.
I missed one.
Huh?
I missed one.
Yeah. She finally missed one. Boy, I'm pretty embarrassing. My wife out shooting me on video with it.
I'm not coming out of the holster though.
All right. I'm gonna come out of the holster again. We're gonna do double taps this time. I meant to bring my shot timer with me, but I forgot it, so. Rushing that first shot a little bit. Still doing it. All right, Trey, slow down. All right, still slowed down, still missed. There we go. Oh, out of bullets. Well, that wasn't great. Wasn't terrible. I missed a lot of those first ones. Where's that reloader? But like I said in the last video, this right here is where you start ironing that stuff out. It's way better to iron it out here than get in a real world scenario and you know, now all of a sudden you can't shoot. So, and that's why I recommend, and I've not done any of this, but I've always wanted to do force on force training where it requires you to, you know, you're out of breath, your adrenaline's going, and some people say you can run around the house like 10 times and then try to shoot with your heart rate going like crazy. I've never tried that either, mostly just because I'm fat and lazy. But I meant to explain to y'all the yesterday why I shoot at 21 feet, or yeah, 21 feet, 7 yards. I think it was back in the 80s or maybe early 90s. The court systems had found that a lot of cops were shooting people at that were across the room from them, and they were, you know, a lot of the defense was like, well, he was across the room and he had a knife. He was standing here and he had a gun, and that was over 7 yards. I think it was at 10 yards. So I can't remember that guy's name that did the study. If you'll Google 21-foot rule in shooting, you'll see the study. But what it says is that an average person, say, I'm quite not average, I'm a little large average, but an average person can cover 21 feet in a second and a half. So you need to be able to shoot, get your gun out from concealment if that's how you carry your gun. You need to be able to get your gun out, get on target, and shoot in under a second and a half. It is a second and a half, right, babe? Ain't it a second and a half?
Thank you.
So you need to get your gun out, get on target, and shoot. And that's why I shoot at 7 yards. And normally when I have my shot timer out here, sometimes I hover around a second. Every now and then it'll be under a second. Sometimes it'll be like a 1.16 or 1.08 or something around there. But that's pretty good. But that's why I shoot at 7 yards, which I know most encounters, the guy's not going to come up to you and stop at 7 yards, and that's when you get into shooting from retention. And you see some people on YouTube videos, they'll have a gun here and they'll put this arm up. This is to make sure you don't shoot it and block your head from any blows, kind of bend down, and then they'll get their gun out and start shooting like this. That's a whole different animal. You can't really do that with steel because you have to get so close. I've done a little bit of that, but not much. It's also something good to work on. But here today, we're just out here plinking just for fun, get a little practice in. You know, it is fun, but you know, we're still going through the fundamentals and everything. But you ready to shoot?
Yeah.
It's your turn. Yeah. All right, here she goes. Whatever you want to. It's not loaded.
Maybe I should shoot that little one.
Do what?
Shoot that little one.
You can give it a shot. Get a good trigger break. Shoot a little in front of it.
We shoot the top one.
There you go, you got it. I don't know where you hit it at.
Right there, I can see it.
There you go, you hit the top one, didn't you?
Yeah.
go. Hey, good shot. That was dead center of it.
Okay, now we'll shoot this one.
Good. Good job. You swung that little in a bunch. I'm telling y'all, she's shooting better than me today. That was good. All right, let's do some more double taps because I'm not doing very good with that. So let's work on that. Our line is disappearing. Is this it right here?
I think so.
Got your ears on?
Yep.
Got to do better on that first shot. It's like I'm coming out lazy when I get up with a gun. I didn't come out lazy that time. I overdrove it with my left hand. That was to the right and then to the left.
That was good.
I don't know where that second one went.
First one was dead center.
Huh?
First one was dead center. That was good.
Drove out a little bit to the right and to the left again. Out of bullets. We do that next time, we're gonna go for another speed reload. Because those are always fun. You're gonna load with the loader and I'll load by hand. We brought some more Winchester white box out here today, even though it gets my gun filthy. I hadn't cleaned it yet, so I didn't figure it would hurt it. It shoots pretty good, as you can tell. We've not had malfunction. The only ammo that I've ever had a malfunction with, and I may have just got a bad batch because it was cheap. I think we bought it for, what was that, $6.99 a box?
It was cheap.
I think it was PMC, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's PMC. We bought it, a local place here had it, and it didn't malfunction with me any, but it malfunctioned with her.
Every time.
Yeah, now she's got a little bit more recoil with hers. I'm not gonna say she limp wristed because I think she does a pretty good job. But it malfunctioned with her, didn't malfunction with me. I'm gonna put my mag pouch on. And then whenever you get done shooting, I'm gonna do a reload. All right, your go, Sugar Bear.
And what do we do?
Whatever you want to.
Let me see how fast I can shoot.
Hey, let's go for it. Get a good grip on that gun.
Fast and accurate.
Fast and accurate. Here we go. Get a good grip. Easy. You got a little too fast there, too.
Fast.
We got the fast part now. We just need to get that accurate part down a little better.
I had a good string there in the middle.
You did. That was good. I'm just going to put 5 in this. I'm going to do double taps. I don't even know how many I'm putting in. I think that's 4. And then we're going to do an emergency speed reload. That's what you want to call it. Mine's going to be a slow, bumbling, fumbling, stumbling through it reload. All right, here we go. Double taps and a reload.
Good.
All right, I got one more bullet in here, then a reload. I missed it.
That was good though.
I always fumble that reload up. I'll tell you what, let's do another one.
That was good.
That wasn't bad. That was just for fun. Because like one of my favorite things to do is a mag dump. They're just addictive, but they will blow through money and ammo like crazy. If any of you got any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to leave us a comment. If you like the video,
Share it.
Share it. Subscribe. We do this for fun. And it's actually my daughter, Bella, got a GoPro for Christmas. And I pretty much took it over. So, and I'm having an absolute blast making videos. So, can't shoot very long today. We had New Year's dinner with my family at 3 o'clock. It is 2:41 now. So we may do, I'll let her do another string, then I may do another string. I'm gonna let her do a mag dump, I'll do a mag dump. We'll wrap it up there. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. That recoil control was amazing. That gun didn't bounce. You wasn't redoing your grip every time. That was good. That was
Slow
good.
at first,
See?
man.
Practice, practice, practice. She got way better on that one. All right. What now? What we gonna do now? Double taps again. I think that's where I'm struggling the most is the double taps. So let's do those again. Ready? Got your ears on?
Yes.
Hug my shirt. Tried to get too fast again. I don't know what happened there. That felt good. I didn't hit anything. Shooting low.
Don't make holes in something down there.
You got a magazine loaded?
No.
Just, you ain't got any of them in it?
No. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I'm gonna do one reload. Only have one in both magazines. All right, mag dump time. Who was that? Oh, mag dump time. Give me some ammo. You can't figure out how it goes on there? Like that.
Okay.
Come on, woman. We gotta work more on those double taps. I gotta get a little more dry fire. Because that's what helps to get those sights lined up as soon as you come out of that holster. And I'll do all right, and I'll start trying to speed up like an idiot. And I gotta settle back down. And that right there, God, looks easy to hit. And some of you may be absolutely fantastic at it. I'm just not. It's harder for me to hit. It's small. I think it's harder than it looks, especially when you're trying to do it quickly, accurately, under pressure. Pressure! You want me to finish that?
I got it.
But we're gonna end you with a mag dump. With Brandy get her magazine loaded. You got 15 in it? Yep. All right, you first, my dear.
Okay. My mag dump's gonna be slower.
Hey, it's all right. They're fun anyway. I don't know what happened there.
I was trying to go fast.
You started off so good and then you started missing.
Supposed to be fast.
I told you, even if you miss, it's fun.
That was good.
I got 2 or 3 that kicked off to my left a
You
little
showed
bit.
me up.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. We're godly people, we're family people, and we're gunly people. Just remember to do your best and let God do the rest.